Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this is part two. And I wasn't going to do it at first, and then I thought that somebody might not catch the one I did of the star that somebody was trying to help me with. So instead of virtually deleting all these lines, we're only going to virtually segment those two lines. And then we're going to color that one in red and change the other one in blue. So basically we're doing one section of it. That one is selected. We're going to hold down the shift key and select that one. We're going to control G to group it, control D to duplicate it. Double click on your rotation to get your rotation in the middle. Always make sure it's there. And then rotate it 45 degrees, and this is how much easier it is than deleting all those and putting the color. But I did a video about the star, and I thought, some people might not have watched that or will watch that one, and then this way they've got a little bit of double help by creating this and then making it by this one I did with, or I actually did this one with deleting all the lines, where this only deleted 2 lines and just rotated it. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.